Want your dream job to notice you? It starts with an ATS-Friendly CV. Hey there. If you're job hunting, you've probably heard of ATS, the software that scans your resume. But don't worry, it's super easy to make your CV stand out. First, head over to resume.sudantahadi.com. This site is your new best friend for creating an ATS-friendly CV. Start by reading simple, clean instruction. No fancy fonts or images, just the basics. Next, fill in your details. Use keywords from the job description. This helps the ATS know you're a match. Now keep your sections clear: work experience, education, skills, and make sure your job titles and dates are easy to spot. Last but not least, save your resume as a Word doc, so this keeps your formatting intact. And there you have it. And so, in just a few minutes, you've got a CV that's ready to impress both ATS and hiring managers. Good luck on your job search. You've got this.